was a startup of a 2002 Payne Teardrop heat pump.
Yeah.
Has a Bristol H29B reciprocating compressor.
Yep.
Original compressor too.
That's a heat pump.
Finally got a startup.
Yeah.
We're waiting for that CKC way over there that you probably can't see. Like 20 minutes.
Alright. Nice and cold.
She's cold, mama.
Let's see.
3 tons from 2002.
Alright. Well,
Alright.
that.
Film with Christian, he got it too.
Yeah, we're all split up. Me and Compact here. We teamed up on this.
And it worked.
But
There's HVAC Productions, George HVAC and more, and HVAC Explorations, one and only.
Alright.
Team 13. Anyways, we're gonna try for a shutdown. Oh well.
We're fine.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
There you go, shut down.
Well, it's shut down, and you heard me droning on about Bristol compressors.
I mean, they're facts though. They're facts.
I need to
A lot
shut.
worse things we could be talking about.
There's the compressor now that it's off.
Alright.
I'm gonna try and get a shot of the compressor tag. Probably never.
Alright, here's the tag. Now it's off. Let's see. Good old Bristol.
Which is noisy.
Indeed it is.
There's the data for the third time.
3 boards. Alright, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Done.